Cause you know you carry give me super.
Hey! You people are capping. You people are liars. All of you, liars. Bloody liars. Oof, finally, we are here. We are here. We're getting to Asake and Burna. If you haven't listened to my Beam episode, go to my Twitter. It should be in the description, hopefully. Hopefully I have my shit together. It should be in my description. On my pinned tweets, I have a Beam mini podcast. It's a 90-second podcast series. Oh, shout out to Copcam. I think Copcam opened one and Just Vibes opened one. On my Beams is happening, okay? It's a revolution of 90-second podcast. Let's do it. But yeah, I had an episode where I talked about Burna Boy and his necessity for a hit in the home ground, the home soil. And this is kind of like what sparked or provoked that discussion for me. And I'm curious as to what exactly they were able to turn out. I've heard so many varying opinions on the song. Asake, obviously, with SUNGBA is definitely it's prime enough to be one of the hottest songs in the year. I mean, the first quarter of the year so far. And not to talk about Omokwe, like he's already having a massive run with. I want to see this with the video, but I'm scared again. I don't trust videos on this live. One, I'm not be able to see my back end as I'm watching the video, so I'm really suspicious. Two, these niggas could cut me off anytime like they did the other time with Rema. So I don't trust in nobody with videos, bro. But anyway, I'll keep it where I can see everything going on, so we don't have a chaos. But anyway, Asake and Burna Boy on the remix of SUNGBA. Let's hear it. Let's see what Burna is adding to this song. And yeah, let's go. The song is already like top tier for me, bro. They're keeping the beat, they're keeping the cadence. They're just adding a Burna verse, pretty much, I'm sure. Why's my shit not focused, bro? Hey. All of a sudden, hey, let's go, I think Burna's about to come up. Let's go.
Tell me what you see when you look at me.
Okay.
My problem is that too sabi. Pop Marley for the pool party.
My problem is that too sabi. Talk your shit, my G.
Pop Marley for the pool party. I got out, ya da.
Hey! What? See, listen. I heard a lot of shit about this verse being lackluster or okay. Nah. Your niggas are capping. Burna is showing the fuck off in this verse so far, at least. Like, come on, man. Your people are selling me a lie. You people were selling me lies. You guys people were selling me lies. Burna now, my problem is I too sabi. No. When you say my problem is I too sabi, bro. I even realized I need to set up the info. No. Let's run that verse again, bro. Hey! See, look. There's one thing about understanding a song, getting into the vein of the song, picking references from the original, and twisting that shit and making it feel fresh and no. I mean, jumping on the cadence, yes, like, bro, there's a spirit of the song, there's a flow of the song. I don't think this kind of record warrants you just coming here and flipping the script on the song. I don't, honestly, the energy is there and it's keeping the energy consistent. And bro, I'm here. No, I've heard crazy opinions on this. Like, people were like, what did you do to this song? My G.
You see when you look at me.
My G. This is fire, bro. I've never gone to the end of it. Hey. When I see about Yagbokada, Burna is an idiot. Hey. Let's go. Cause you know you carry give me super. Hey. You people are capping. You people are liars. All of you, liars. Bloody liars. No, bloody liars. People are lying. You people, no. I was on space. Niggas were saying shit. Nah, niggas are lying. You guys are lying to my face. Or my... Yeah, because you cannot see each other. But bro... Nah, this is... What do you mean? That was a Burna verse, bro. What do you mean? You wanted to tongue the song upside down? He goes back! What? 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 What was the outro? With ease. What? No, that outro was fire, bro. Nah. I'm sorry. What? I didn't see the outro coming. The way it came back. Timobota, you mad? Hey, what do you mean? Like, people are lying. I shouldn't be trusting you niggas, man. People were telling me this song was at best average. I'm like, what? At best average? How many caps I get? I should not come here and line up all my caps. No. You people are liars. Anybody that was saying this is average, bro, this was a whole narrative I was saying. I'm like, sure, Burna didn't do like that on this verse. Cause I don't know, was it the snippets that probably blew your brains off or something? Like, I don't know. The snippet probably like, I don't know, man. Maybe people had to harvest. No. I didn't even go in. Like, obviously, it's a Burna remix, right? I was expecting like there's this level of class that Burna will add to the song, right? Bro, that song, he understood the record. He understood what the fuck he was doing on that song. He added to the song. It took the song up for me. Like, this is the original, but with the Burna presence. And how would I deny a Burna presence like this? People comparing this to the original is funny to me. How different does it sound from the original? It's just a Burna verse, or is there a verse that that was paining you that you didn't get to hear again? See, look, the song is super energetic. The song is super like you know what I mean? Like, it has amapiano elements that get your heart rate up, like get you dancing, you know. And I think Burna embodied exactly the essence of the record. And came in there, similar cadences, flipped a couple words that Asake had already used, like I got a line, and then coming back in the outro again. Hey, look, listen, this is not even like a Burna bias or anything. Like, I mean, I've been told everything that I do about Burna. I told I rubbish Burna every day. I told I was a fave, that I've switched camps. I've heard everything under the sun in terms of it might seem like I'm too excited, but trust me, this is standard Burna reaction for me. Like, anytime I get Burna like pouring flames into a song, like I just adding bare like excitement and like flames to a song that was already fire. A song that was already fire, but Burna adding more. No, like I was already elated already. Like, SUNGBA is already a phenomenal record for me. So no, bro, like I don't know if you want to call this, oh nah, Mima is too hype on this record, like the record is not all that. My G, that's on you, bro. I can't convince you otherwise to say what the song is. But the song is fire. The verse was, the presence of Burna here was fire. Like, this narrative of Burna being lackluster on it, I'm not buying it. It was a complete cap. I'm sure the video itself was even much more fire because, bro, I need to check out the video, man. Yo, thank you so much for watching that video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Of course, it's just my opinion. I would love to know yours in the comment section. That was also a clip off of New Music Friday live stream, where we show up every Friday night, 5:30 EST, 11:30 West African time, where we actually listen to new music, get reactions, and get to vote on each song. It's always a fun ride, so definitely tap in and hit the notification bell if you haven't, okay? That's when you know when we're live. All right, thank you so much for watching, and enjoy the rest of the videos on the channel as well, okay? Let's go.